friends, welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen, and if you're new here, my name is Jen, and today we are going to make crepes, and we're going to fill it with berry compote. I have some berries that's been sitting in my fridge, and before it goes bad, I'd like to make this compote. It is a sauce that you reduce and you add a little bit of lemon juice, lemon zest, a little bit of sugar, a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor, and it really goes well with the crepes. And I find that ricotta cheese also goes well when you combine it with the compote and you fill your crepes with it, but that's totally up to you. It's optional because you can always have cream cheese, creme fraiche, and powdered sugar, you know, whatever you want, you can totally use it for your crepes. Now this is a really smooth and very delicate crepes that we're going to make. So let's go ahead and prep everything and I'll show you how I made this really nice crepes with the berry compote filling.
Wash and clean the berries. Zest 1 lemon, about a teaspoon of lemon zest. You also need lemon juice, about a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then in the saucepan, you're going to add your berries over medium heat. And then add the lemon juice, sugar, lemon zest, and then stir to combine and let it boil. And then continue cooking. Add a pinch of salt and then let it reduce. And then once it's thickened and reduced, you set it aside to cool completely. And then let's make our batter. In a bowl, you're going to add all the dry ingredients. The flour, the sugar, the salt, and then mix to combine. And then in another bowl, you're going to add your wet ingredients. The milk, beat your eggs first before you add it into the milk. And then your melted butter, and then mix to combine. And then you gradually going to add the flour and then continue mixing. And then you're going to mix the batter until it is smooth and add some vanilla also. And then over medium heat, then in the skillet, you add the batter, but you're going to grease it with a little bit of oil and then swirl. And then once you feel that it's firm to the touch, the top, and then use your spatula to flip it. And then you count 1 to 10, and then it's ready. Then you're going to remove it from the pan. And then you could just continue until you finish all your batter. And then you're ready to assemble. I like some ricotta cheese, and then I added my berry compote. And then what you're going to do is just fold and roll. And then you can also add some berries on top. And then dust it with a little bit of powdered sugar. Or if you want to drizzle some maple syrup, you could do that too.